Hi, welcome. Today we're going to make ginger garlic soup or call it the immunity booster. It is perfect for cold days and especially if you're feeling under the weather, take advantage of it. I'm using diced ginger, garlic and onions, but you can also use the paste or grind everything. Fully cooked ginger and garlic tastes really yummy in the soup, so I make sure that it's well cooked, and same with the onions. I cut up 2 small onions. This soup is super easy to make and it is one of my husband's favorite, so I make it every other week. It's not time consuming and I love making it for him. Lower the flame when adding condiments. Add little water to avoid the masalas to stick to the bottom of the pan and simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. I'm adding peas, but you can add any other vegetables of your choice. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Adding cornstarch is optional. I like to have thick kind of gravy in my soup. I usually add fenugreek leaves. Since I was out of mine, I'm using basil leaves. You can also use coriander leaves. I also have another nutritional veggie soup which is made with vegetables, so you can check that out. So which soup would you prefer to eat? One with the vegetables or just with peas? Let me know in comments. Or if you have any other soups that you like, you can let me know in comments. Let's hit that like button if you like the video so far. You can garnish it with cilantro and fenugreek leaves. I did not have those available, so I used the basil leaf. If you have mint, you can add mint leaves. I like to eat the soup dipped in my fresh roti that I make. You can use tortilla or tortilla chips. So for more recipes, don't forget to hit subscribe so you can watch my future videos. If you like the recipe, hit like and remember to share with family and friends. Keep spreading love and kindness.